Hey guys, it's the 18th of February, and it's going to be a pretty day today. It's actually warming up. I'm fixing to get rid of this hoodie here in just a minute. It's warming up that fast. I've decided to start out and try some of the shallow water. It's only about 5 and 6 foot deep right in here. And I had a buddy that done really well yesterday in shallow water, and so I thought I'd try it. I've been fishing deep water and doing really good, but I think they are starting to move to the shallows because of the sun warming up the shallower water as we're starting to ease into springtime, the end of winter. So I think they're going to end up getting in here and getting warmed up. But anyway, I wanted to use all my small rods today. My granddaughters are going to be coming in April, and I want to see how many fish I can catch pretty fast. But I know I have to find the fish first. But I think it's going to work really good. I've got a 4/0 hook on my poles. I've got two 4/0 hooks on each rod and reel, and I've baited out with some frozen shad I had. I went by the place where I always get shad, and I throwed, and there just ain't no shad up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this frozen shad, and we're gonna fish this shallow water. If we don't catch, if the bite's not very good, I'm gonna go ahead and move out into the deeper water pretty quick. So anyway, I'm gonna sit here and try it. Yeah, we got one. Yeah, there's number one. Not a bad on that little bitty hook. Oh boy. Here we go. We got number two. He's not bad. You can see these ain't just tiny fish. They're good. That's a pretty good fillet right there. Just seen one jump by the boat. There we go. All right, there's number 2. That ain't bad. I was getting a bite on this other one right over here. I think there's one on this one. Oh yeah, fish on. Number 3, not bad. You know, these are all nice size fish too. You can see I'm trying to keep the bait pretty small. I mean, that's a pretty small piece of bait. And that hook, it's a 5/0, but it looks more like a 4/0 to me than all the hooks I've been using. But it's really thin, and boy, it drives right in them. But anyway, you can see the size of bait. I'm trying to keep it pretty small. Yeah, it's time to shed the sweatshirt. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but let's see if this can. This right over here is an island, and there's just a little bit of water on the other side of it before you get to mainland. But these geese get on that island, they lay eggs this time of year, and that's what they're doing right now, starting a nest. And when them babies are hatched out, that's when the eagles come in. The eagles will hang out, and they wait for them babies to come out, and as soon as they see them, they nab them now. I don't know how many make it, probably not very many, but it's I guess a circle of life there, that you can hear them. They're squawking away. There's a bunch of them on that island right now. They're building their nest and getting ready. Probably already laying some eggs. Oh yeah, he's a good one. Oh boy. Make sure this camera's on. It's a good one, guys. Oh, he's a good one. I don't believe he's a great big one, but he's nicest one I've caught this morning. Well, that's because he's a drum. Dadgummit. Boy, they sure feel good. They fight now. Come on. You know, if I could come out here and catch nothing but drum, I'd do it, because they fight so good. Good camera. I tell you what, they just get after it now. I'm gonna keep him and use him for bait. This line right here just took off, went this way. Huh. Whatever was on it took it across this other line here, and we got all wrapped up. It wasn't yanking on it, it just moving it. I noticed a turtle out there earlier, and I just wonder, never had a turtle mess with them before. It could have been, or it could be a fish on this one. That's what it was. There's a fish on this one, and he went and got crossed with that other line, and I thought he was on that one because he was pulling that one. He's not a bad one. See how good he's hooked. Not real good. We better get to dipping that. There we go. Yeah, he's not a bad fish. I think he's the biggest fish of the day. I never seen him pull on it or yank it or anything. I'll go back and watch a video though. Look at his old belly, it's full. Pulling him out of 5 foot of water ain't swelling him up, so he's full of shad probably. I think that's number 4, ain't it? Most bites we got was back in that 6 foot over there, so we may need to stay in about that deep or go deeper. I haven't been in anything deeper than 6 foot this morning. Yeah guys, it's been a slow day. After catching that last fish, I haven't gotten maybe a couple bites. Haven't caught anything. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon now. I came out to another spot here where I seen some fish on the depth finder, and it looked like a good spot. Looks like some pretty good sized fish, but they just refusing to bite. They don't. Guess they're not hungry. I noticed one of those fish I caught this morning, he was plumb full of shad, or he's full of something. While I was sitting here, I noticed someone set a fire on one of the islands over here. You can see it right back through there. It's I think they call that well, that's Combine Island. That's exactly what island it is. I know there's a lot of bad fires going on today. I figure someone wanted to burn it off because there's no reason for it to catch on fire without somebody's lighting a match to it. But there's nothing on it, but it's just an island. Some of the guys that probably hunt on it would love for it to burn off. So, and it could be the Corps of Engineers doing it. I don't know. It can't get out because it's an island. It's just going to burn right there. So they'll probably let it burn. I may go over there and check it out one of these days. But anyway, the wind is getting pretty tough. It's blowing a little bit harder than it was. So the water's getting a little rougher, but nothing bad. I could sit out in this all day. It's no big deal, but the fish are just not biting. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I'm gonna go clean these fish. They're a nice size. They're perfect eating size. I'm gonna clean up that drum so we'll have some bait, because I plan on doing some jug lines when my granddaughters get here. I was hoping to catch more fish today, but they just ain't biting, and that's the way it happens sometimes. I know a lot of times people think I make this look easy, out here fishing and just catching all these fish, but you don't see the slow times and the hours of setting and stuff like that. So I don't want to give everybody's hopes way up. You gotta have some patience to catfish. You gotta have quite a bit of patience, and that's something don't come real easy, because I've never had patience. I don't. If I wasn't retired and had things to do like I used to, I never had patience then. But I'm getting better at it. I've got a lot more patience. That's why you see me move a lot. I don't have the patience to sit in one spot. But I'm learning. I'm getting better. I'm doing better at it. But anyway, we had a pretty good day. You know, didn't catch a whole lot, but this morning we did catch those 4, and they caught that drum. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, give me that thumbs up, and if you want to see more, just hit that subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.